Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to send money from Facebook Pay to Cash App in 2025. So you might be wondering, can you actually transfer money from Facebook Pay to Cash App? Let's discuss this now. So currently, with how Facebook Pay and Cash App are set up, they work kind of similarly. Facebook Pay doesn't hold your money. It uses the payment method you linked, like a card or bank account, to make transactions. So it's not possible to send money directly from Facebook Pay to Cash App. What can you do? You can link the same payment method to Cash App. Here's how. Open your Cash App mobile app. I'm doing it now. Look for the profile icon on the home screen. Tap it. Find Linked Banks option. Tap it. Choose debit card or bank account. Want to use the card linked to Facebook Pay? Enter card number. Add expiration date. Add CVV. Add zip code. Follow steps to link it. Now your card is connected to Cash App. You can transfer funds from that card to your Cash App balance. Still not working? Check payment terms. Go to facebook.com, search payment terms. Shows limitations. Unique tip, add a 4-digit PIN to Facebook Pay. Go to payments. Tap security, set PIN. Keeps transfers safe. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.